Welcome to the presentation of DBO International and its wastewater treatment and reuse solutions. Our slogan captures our company's philosophy well: water forever, suggesting a commitment to the preservation of water resources, crucial for life on Earth. A greener world reinforces this idea by promoting greenery, symbolizing the preservation of nature and the fight against global warming. Did you know? More than 80% of wastewater generated by human activity is discharged into rivers and oceans without any treatment, leading to pollution. Improper disposal of wastewater can result in numerous consequences, including eutrophication of aquatic environments and blue-green algae, diseases and mortality in livestock and farm animals, drought and depletion of the groundwater table, malnutrition, diseases, and fatalities. To address these issues, the challenge would be addressing United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 6, which aims to improve water quality, wastewater treatment, and safe reuse by 2030. Therefore, finding a wastewater treatment solution that is simple, efficient, and sustainable and recovering treated water for appropriate reuse. In other words, it is crucial to preserve drinking water sources in harmony with the environment, for the health of all and for future generations. The solution would be to treat wastewater naturally in an ecological, economical, and sustainable manner, suitable for all geographical and climatic conditions, to then recover these treated waters for appropriate reuse. DBO International is proud to present this solution named System O. System O includes various certified purification treatment solutions, adhering to the highest established standards. These solutions are optimized by a technology that revolutionizes wastewater treatment in a passive, 100% biological, and autonomous manner. That's right. No electricity, no moving parts, no ongoing maintenance, no odor, no noise, no chemical additives, no waste discharge, sludge, no filter media replacement. How is this possible? Quite simply, we work with bacteria. We have designed an ideal habitat for bacterial proliferation. Water treatment is performed by aerobic and anaerobic bacteria, which settle around the perforated conducts at the heart of the System O solutions. These two types of bacteria assimilate pollutants in the water and self-regulate to prevent biomass from becoming too large and needing to be emptied. Since this is a technology without motors or electrical connections, a System O solution is very easy and quick to install, regardless of the project size. System O solutions have been designed to efficiently treat wastewater from a residence or any isolated dwellings or commercial, community, and institutional projects. For example, here's a mining camp in Canada where System O treats 50 cubic meters per day for 350 employees, with a significant annual temperature variation of approximately 40 degrees Celsius. Completely autonomous, maintenance-free, and sustainable. Here is what an installation without backfill looks like. We have them in France, Peru, Canada, and Algeria. As previously mentioned, the technology adapts to all geographical and climatic situations. The conduct can be bent for a custom and modular installation. It can also be stacked on 2 or 3 levels to reduce the footprint. Thus, the system can be adapted to the environment and the available space. Several treatment solutions are possible, such as passive disinfection, disinfection by UV or chlorinator, phosphorus removal, denitrification, and even secondary treatment with reusing. Concerning purification performances, rest assured, System O far exceeds established norms and standards. The technology was put to the test over various benches test for several months to achieve amazing results. The clarity of the water speaks for itself. Here is water sampled before and after treatment by System O in Algeria. The technology exists since 1987, and we see systems installed more than 35 years ago that are still working, in perfect condition and treating wastewater with the same efficiency as when they were first installed. Imagine an autonomous and passive wastewater treatment plant able to recover its treated water for reuse. Yes, it's possible. The sealed drain system allows the reuse of treated water for preserving potable water. There are several possibilities for reuse, such as irrigation, toilet flushing, car washes, or industrial use. Here is an example of a System O installed in Lima, Peru. We can see sunflower crops irrigated with water treated by System O. Water treated by System O contains the ideal dose of nutrients to supply a garden or green space. Here you have an installation in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, where a green space is irrigated by a drip system fed by System O. Even in such a hot and arid place, vegetation is possible. Here in France, a nice garden layout with a water discharge into the pond. How can we achieve significant savings of drinking water? Here is a great example, by recovering treated water to reuse it for a car wash and the toilets of a roadside stop in Algeria. This is a beautiful, eco-friendly installation. To conclude our examples, by combining System O with an ozone generator, a school in Mexico recirculates treated and disinfected water to supply sinks and toilets. The reuse of treated water is a tangible proof of our ability to find harmonious solutions between human needs, biodiversity protection, and environmental preservation. By embracing this eco-responsible approach, we commit to the path of a more sustainable future, where peaceful coexistence between humanity and nature becomes a reality to preserve for future generations. To properly install System O solutions, DBO International is fully dedicated to being your outstanding ally, possessing all the knowledge and tools at its disposal to realize your project. DBO International works to improve the quality of life for all, following natural and ecological principles, for the respect and well-being of the planet. Our mission is to create and implement innovative, environmentally friendly wastewater treatment and reuse solutions for any situation anywhere in the world. As previously mentioned, each of our solutions is efficient. But are these performances sustainable? Let's look at these impressive statistics. In Quebec, Canada, after more than 339,254 piezometers inspections done during the years of 2000 to 2021, the technology behind the installations of System O is the best approach in terms of durability and purification performance on the market. What is a piezometer? A piezometer is a tool within the septic system that allows us to evaluate the water level in each of the pipe's rows. This graph shows that 99.07% of the water levels in the piezometers of all our installations, across all years inspected in 2021, showed a normal situation. A normal situation is indicated when the water level in the pipes, measured through the piezometer at the end of each row of pipes, is between 0 and 230 millimeters. Therefore, less than 1% present cases of high levels. For these particular cases, it wasn't the system that was at fault, but rather a poor installation that didn't comply with the installation and design guide, or non-adherence to the user's guide. Despite this, the owners of these installations did not have to incur any expenses to repair parts or replace the filtering media. The System O solutions, when designed, installed, and used in accordance with the guides, are durable. We have the certifications and approvals to attest to the effectiveness of our technology. Rest assured, System O solutions enjoy a solid reputation. Once your installation is complete, you can forget about it. It takes care of the rest. Our team continues to expand globally and relentlessly promotes System O solutions. We are present in more than 25 countries. What is your project? Contact our experts for planning your wastewater treatment projects, including the reuse of treated water for the preservation of potable water. Nature will thank you. I invite you to consult our FAQ, case studies, and our Info DBO, which explain clearly some of the more technical aspects of System O. All this information can be found on the website dbointernational.com. I also invite you to follow DBO International on Facebook and LinkedIn. Thank you for listening.